Nice image, sir. One minute. Let us minimize this. I'm wondering. Let's close these all. Yeah. So online team, I hope you are able to hear my voice actually. You're able to see my desktop, I guess. Am I right? Good. Thank you. Then let us start the session. And I would like to create a first running notes. Then we can start the session. And today there is a major topic. The topic name will be written keyword. What is the topic name, sir? Written keyword. So session number 18, which includes two running nodes actually. And still we are running with the functions part number 1. We have already started functions part number 1. And in that, I kind of today the major topic, the topic name will be written keyword. What keywords are? Written keyword team, very, very important. So please make a note on this one. There are many things we are going to understand today. Are we done parameterized function? We are running, I guess. One parameter we done, two parameters I need to, yeah. Fine, let's close that one first, then I can continue. Don't worry, I never skip anything. Three. And this one is a function spot number 1. Sorry, sir. The same. The status indicates to the same. Previous topic is a string and functions part 1 and upcoming topic is a part 2. Good. I hope the heading should be same, I guess. Yeah, here. I will give a small recap, don't worry. Then we can continue the session. Let us continue. Now I need to start from where exactly parameterized function, but let me give a small recap actually. What are all things we have done? By this time you should know these are all discussion. Currently we are discussing about the function. What is the topic name, sir? Function. First point you should understand what is a function. I hope you already know. So function is a block of the statement actually. And after this we need to understand what is the uses of the function actually. The uses of function is to perform an operation. Chapter to perform an operation. A function can contain group of statements. Function can contain what exactly? Group of statements. You can also call as a block of the code. You can also call as what exactly? Block of the code. Whenever you're talking about the function, the functions are divided into two types especially. How many types, man? Two types. Two types actually. The functions are divided into two types. The first one will be, I can say, Chapani, predefined function. The next one will be user defined. So simple, user defined actually. I'm giving a small recap. If anyone joined just now, so I hope you might have in a serial, how will get a recap actually. Let me give the same recap. And Daniel, what do you mean by predefined function? Sir, these are all inbuilt. Chaptarandaru, inbuilt. It is by default available. Best example, something like a print. Next one is a type. Next one is a length. These are all predefined function. Extra. These are all things actually. After this one, you need to be understand. Daniel, I wanted to understand about user defined function. What you wanted to understand, sir? If you wanted to understand about user defined function, get ready. First of all, what do you mean by user defined function? Based on requirement, chaptara, based on requirement, we can create our own function. Our own what exactly? Function. That is called as a user defined function. Sometimes already predefined functions are available, but these predefined functions are not satisfying my requirement. Now based on my requirement, I can create my own function. Yeah, that is possible. They're allowing us actually, right? So if you really wanted to become very good in function oriented programming, there is some terminology. There is what exactly mean? Some terminology. Be strong here actually. Chapter first one is a def keyword. What is the first one? Def keyword. The next one is what exactly? No, name of the function. Chapter sir, name of the function. Next one, parenthesis. Next one, parameters. The next one, colon symbol. Colon symbol. Next one, indentation. Indentation. Next one, body of the function. Yeah, very good. Next one is a return keyword, return statement, or return keyword, anything you can say. These are all you should have. Then you will become very good actually. Then after this, whenever if you wanted to understand about function, user defined function. User defined what exactly? Function. Function. Get ready. There are 2 points you need to be understand. First one, how to create a function. Chappan sir. First one, how to create a function. How to create what exactly? Function. You should be very clear. The second point will be how to call the function. How to call what exactly? Function. These are all discussion I covered yesterday. By this time, everyone should know how to create a function, how to call a function, no doubt at all actually. If you know, then only you can even understand all upcoming topics actually. After this one, I have explained a function can call another function. What is that one, sir? A function can call what exactly? Another function. Another function. And prior to this one, I have covered one more point. That point will be naming convention. You know, when you're talking about the function having naming convention. What exactly, sir? Naming convention. You have to follow the rule. Best example, print is a predefined function. Type is a predefined function. Length is a predefined function. All are lowercase only. All are what exactly? Same thing like that. When they were creating a predefined function, they followed the rule all are lowercase. When you are creating a function, respect the rules actually. I mean to say, use lowercase only. Use what exactly? Hey Daniel, I will use uppercase. Sir, valid. Valid. You never get error. But that is not a recommended. That is not what exactly? I will show you one example. Please be patient. I will show you. We should not even write like that actually. After that, I have explained a function can call what exactly? A function can call another function. Yeah, after this one, we have started immediately parameterized function. What function, sir? Parameterized function. Now, let me give a small recap actually. Are you clear till now? These are all discussion yesterday we have seen actually. These are all discussion we have seen. Let's continue, man. Let's continue. Yeah. I would like to continue. But important point, the point will be, this point I was supposed to explain yesterday. DF Daniel. Give always your name, sir. This one is also called as a hello. Yeah. Team. You can just have to call the function. This program is a, I mean to say, valid and highly recommended. Chapter andru valid and what exactly? Highly recommended. You should write like this only. You should write like this only. Why? Because all are uppercase. All are what exactly mean? Uppercase. Now let me show you. I'm sorry, sir. I'm extremely sorry. All are what exactly? Lowercase. Let me write an example. And here let me take Daniel. Print of what exactly now? Hello. Team. One small point you need to be understand today actually. Frankly speaking, this is valid. It never throw in error actually. This is what exactly? Valid, but not recommended. But what exactly, sir? Not recommended actually. Imagine during interview, a simple question, simple point is enough. During interview, imagine if I ask a question, can you please write a function and call a function? If you have written like this, then I can guess like, you are following the standards. You are following what exactly? Standard. If you have written like this, I can understand you are having AMI-repeat standards actually. What standards, man? AMI-repeat. AMI-repeat in the sense, KBHP, institute standards actually. But this one is a real-time standard. What standard actually? I mean to say high-tech city standard actually. Okay. So just for fun. But let me tell you, this one is valid. Chapter, can somebody tell me? But not, you should not write like that. Do you want it to prove? Yeah, let me prove, sir. Let me prove that example. DEF, Daniel, sorry. We should not write like that. But anyway, let me show you the example. Hello. Now let me call Daniel. Let me run this one. What is the expected output, sir? Em output expect చేస్తున్నారు? Yeah, you're getting an output actually. Are you with me? Valid example, but not recommended. Daniel, can you explain your point not recommended? We'll see upcoming session. Especially during whoops actually. Especially where exactly, sir? During whoops I can cover more. Anyway, let's continue the discussion. Now we are back. If anyone joined just now, kindly please join at right time actually. Don't miss not even single point. Online team, we are continuing. Continuation from yesterday. First point. Based on definition, based on what exactly? Definition. Functions are two types. Functions are what exactly, sir? Two types. The first one is called as a, predefined function. What is the first one? Predefined function. And second one is called as a user defined function. You already know this. Now the second point will be based on parameter. Chappanandru, based on parameter. One more time. Based on parameters. Either parameter or parameters. Functions are again divided into two types. Functions are again divided into how many types? Two types. First one will be a function without parameter. Chappan sir. Function without parameter. It is also called as a zero parameterized function. One more time. Zero parameterized function. Anything we can say. And second one will be function with parameter. Function with what exactly, sir? Parameter. Good. Now today discussion will be this one. Daniel, function without parameter. It's a very simple, sir. You have to create a function. My function name is a, kind of some M1 actually. Now here I would like to write no parameters. What exactly, sir? No parameter. Daniel, it is a function, but no parameter. It is okay, cool. This one is a valid example. Team, let me explain about the function with parameter. Function with what exactly? Parameter. This one is important. Please focus. Whenever you're talking about the parameter, first point, a function can contain parameters. A function can contain what exactly? Parameter. Good. Let me just try to write here. DEF. And let me write one small function. Function name is M1. Function name is what exactly? M1. In between parentheses, if you want, you can write a parameter. So simple parameter means think like a name of the variable. Madam, think like what exactly? Just a name of the variable. You can give A, you can give B, you can give X, anything you can give actually. Let me give A. Column symbol. Now indirectly, you have created a function, but it is one parameterized function. What function actually? One parameter. Chappalandaru. Yeah, good. Now print. Let me write here hello. Let me write here what exactly? Hello. Team, one small important point. The point will be if a function having parameter, whenever you are calling the function, you should provide the value. I mean to say that we should provide value to A. Come on, read everyone actually. We should provide value to A. From here we should provide actually. From here you should provide. Otherwise you will get an error. Daniel, I will not provide Daniel. Sir, it's okay. You will get an error. You will get what exactly? Error. Do you want to see that error actually? I will show you. Please be patient. See, one by one, let me execute. 10. Now see, look at my screen. You will get output like what exactly, sir? Hello. Then automatically, the point here it is, M1 function triggered. I mean, it's called actual. Invoking, calling, accessing, any terminology you can use actual. Now here is the point. A is a variable which is assigned with the 10 value. A is a variable which is assigned with what exactly? 10 value. I mean to say automatically now here onwards A value is the 10. A value is what exactly mean? 10 actually. Are you getting or not, sir? Now here what we can do, do you want to print that value actually? Just try to provide a comma here and print a name of the variable. Comma here and print what exactly? Name of the variable. See, indirectly the value is passing from here to here and here to here. Now you will get the result as what exactly? 10. Now here what we need to understand is generally we can provide the parameter. That parameters we have to use inside body of the function. That parameter we can use where exactly, sir? Inside body of the function. I will show you one real-time example. Please be patient. See. I can say this one is one parameter is a function. Chappan sir, one parameter. A function with one parameter. You can say a function with one parameter. One parameter. This is the example. If a function having parameter, we need to provide the value. Come on, let me take two parameters. DEF and add function A comma B. Add function what exactly, sir? A comma B. And let us just try to perform some operation. Let us just try to perform what exactly? Some operation. Team, I have a question for you. If a function having parameter, How many parameters would we have? 2 parameters. While you are calling the function, how many values you need to pass? 2 value, no doubt in that. No, Daniel, I will pass only 1 value. You will get an error. No, Daniel, I will pass 3 value. You will get an error. You should know what is right and what is wrong actually. What is a valid and what is invalid you should have. Cheppandi 10 comma 20. Here, the 10 will be captured by A and 20 will be captured by B. Then automatically 10 plus 20. What is the result? 30. Simple. Exactly. I have one question. Can somebody tell me the whole line what we need to call? Function with 2 parameters. Cheppandi. One more time. Now hold on. 1 minute. You will understand actually. Let me, there is one student he suggested actually. Daniel, instead of simply copy paste actually, write some here some small point. I will write sir today onwards. Function with 2 parameters. Function with what exactly? 2 parameters. We have written a function having what exactly sir? 2 parameters. Now, hold on. Imagine this one is the piece of code actually. Somebody showing only this line actually. Somebody is what exactly sir? Only. And you know, your friend has shown only this piece of code actually. Then immediately you need to think there is a function in the backend. That function name is a add. That function name is what exactly? That function having how many parameters? Cheppandi sir. That's why you are providing 2 value. This is something like a small game actually. Whenever you are seeing the line, you need to understand backend code. You need to understand what exactly mean. Yeah, maybe that function it can be. Okay, def add actually. It can be a comma b or else x comma y, anything actually. No matter what. Are you with me or not, sir? Good. Hope you understand. Now def and addition. And here a comma b comma c. And here I kind of some d equals to a plus b plus c. Finally, you can print what exactly mean. Now addition. Can somebody tell me, is it valid or invalid, sir? Very good. Is it valid or invalid? Is it valid or invalid? You got a clear picture, man. You're passing the right value, you'll get an output actually. You're passing what exactly? Right value and you will get an output. Let me show you what is invalid scenario. What are all invalid scenario? It's a right I need to show you actually. Function with 3 parameters. Invalid scenario. Invalid case 1. Case 1. Invalid scenario Daniel actually. What do you mean by that? We'll do one thing. Def addition, def m1 function. Sir, we can pass any value. Negative value you can pass. I have seen some query from online team. Negative value you can pass. Any value you can pass. Even yesterday I covered actually. Oh, sorry, sir. Here it should be variable. We should not pass like that actually. Good. M1. Invalid scenario. What scenario? Invalid. Why invalid actually? You have to pass one value. You have to pass what exactly? One value. Especially there is a one statement here you need to focus. Rather than error name, there is a one statement. That statement name is a positional argument. Cheppandi andru. One more time. Yeah, please understand. It is telling type error. Instead of this error, you need to tell, hey Daniel, M1 missing, 1 required. Cheppandi andru. Positional argument. Okay. It is giving suggestion. Hello Daniel, M1, it is missing. Exactly. What it is missing? 1. Why? Because 1 parameter you need to pass how many actually? 1. 1 required positional argument. What is a positional argument? Team, very, very important topic. That is upcoming topic actually. Go back. Function spot number 2. Can somebody read this heading actually? Chadutara evarana? Positional arg. I can talk later. We are going to understand. There is interlink actually. There is interlink. Are you with me? Good. More the discussion. Invalid scenario number 1. I hope you know why it is invalid scenario actually. More the next example. Invalid scenario number 2. Invalid scenario number 2 actually. Daniel, what is that? Let us create a function and which is having 2 parameter. Which is having how many parameter? 2 parameter. Let me not pass any value actually. I wanted to hear error name from you, sir. Error name guess chestara. Deen nunchi come on. Let us replicate actually. Error is a type error. Next one. M1 missing. Yeah. Why? Because here 2. You are missing 2. Then what is the result here actually? 2. 2 required positional argument as a Exactly. M1 is missing. Two required positional argument A and B. What exactly mean? A and B. Are you with me or not, sir? This is called as a reproducing the error. Chapani? Reproducing. That's what I'm saying. I need a response from anyone. All right. Online team, can I get a response from anyone? Are you able to see my screen? Can somebody type actually what I'm highlighting? Can somebody type what I'm highlighting from my screen so that I can get a confirmation? Yeah, good. Thank you. Thank you. All right. You are able to see my screen. Let's continue. That's a confirmation instead of asking again and again actually. Where are we? We covered these are all discussion. That's it actually. Yeah. Based on parameters, functions are divided into two types. Function without parameter, that is also called as a no parameterized function, also called as a zero parameterized function. What functions are? Zero parameter. Next one will be function with parameter. It is also called as a parameterized function. A function without parameter, I mean to say, if a function having no parameter, then that function is called as a no parameterized function. What functions are? No parameterized function. But in real time, we are using more and more parameterized function. More and function capture what exactly? Parameter values. Sorry, please. Once can you call admin actually? ఒకసారి admin పిలుస్తారా? Sorry, please don't mind. Door open చేసి. No, I'm having some network glitch. This is the second time. Let me fix actually. Yeah. Oh, here it is not there. Here also issue, I guess. Next room also. So seems to be if you're facing again another issue, then yeah, sir, మనకి network yeah. Thank you, boss. Good. Let's continue. So seems to be the issue got fixed actually. But if you are facing again, I can just try to hold the session for a while. Where are we? Whenever you are providing a parameters, then that parameter, that parameter will accept the values. Function capture parameters value. Function capture what exactly? Parameter value. Those values perform an operation. And finally, it brings what exactly, sir? Result. It brings what exactly? Result. Yeah, tell me. Very good question, sir. We can give. Right, good. Now here, imagine, let me even just try to write, DEF M1 function, A comma B. And I would like to tell, let us just print A and type of A. And even type of what exactly? A. And even let us just try to print B. The beauty with Python, no limitations, sir. You can do anything actually. M1 of first parameter should be 10 and up to you. First parameter can I pass if you want string actually, you can pass. Next parameter 10. This is still valid, sir. Let me run this one. You will get an output actually. Good. Now let me tell you very, very important discussion. I will show you one small Gmail application. What application? So that you will get an idea. Why parameter, why function, Daniel, what is this Hadavide? You will get a clear picture. Hold on. A function, function with two parameter. Two parameter. Taking string and what exactly, sir? Int values. Good, good. Here onwards, for every example, let us maintain small line so that you can understand actually. Am I right or not, sir? Okay, good. Go back. DEF Gmail function. What function actually? Gmail function. If you wanted to log in Gmail, how many things are required, Chapan? Two things. Very good. First one is a username. Those two are parameters. Those two are what exactly? Parameter. U comma P. I'm sorry. First one is U comma what exactly, sir? P. Very good. Then whenever you are calling the function, you have to provide two values. You have to provide how many values? Two values. Good. And here I wanted to say, I don't want to display, username and password. Welcome to Gmail. Here kind of some validation is happening actually. Welcome to what exactly? Gmail. And here it's supposed to display your username only, but not password. Password should be masked actually. Am I right or not, sir? When you log in, password supposed to be only for validation purpose. Yeah, good. Now let us just try to call Gmail function actually. What function actually, sir? Gmail function. We'll do one thing. From the front end, let me just try to provide the name is a Daniel and my password will be, ABC12. Don't try actually. Don't try this one. Don't try to log in with that. You will get an error actually. Yeah, Chapan sir, welcome to Gmail. And what is the name actually? Daniel. Now, someone may ask a question. These two value, can I take from runtime actually? Can I take from what exactly? Team we can take. To take values at runtime, what we need to do? Nice man. And here, user equals to, chapter evarana? Input of enter username. Enter what exactly? Username. Very good. Sorry man. Enter username. Then next one more line. Can somebody tell me? What is this one, sir? PWD. Password. And enter password. Enter what exactly, sir? Password. Now, please make a note on this one. Now, instead of hard coding, first parameter should be, can somebody help me? User. Very good. Ayo. First of all, let me write this example. You will get an idea. Now, this one is the next example. Let me hard code the values. Gmail function. Now let us take values at runtime actually. This parameter should be what exactly, sir? User. What is the second parameter? PWD. Kind of some password also. All right. The value what you are entering at runtime will be assigned with what exactly? User, and assigning with what exactly? U. The value what you enter with the password will be assigned to PWD, and here will be assigned to what exactly? P. Now get ready. Let me run this example. Yeah, good. It is asking. Let me enter Daniel at gmail.com. And you can just try to enter blah, blah, blah. Yep. Welcome to what exactly? Gmail. Team. Just a normal code, but here, once you have entered the value, here, validation logic. What logic actually? What do you mean by that, Daniel? Either you are existing user or not, it will validate. If you are really existing user, kind of some, so you will get a inbox page. If you are not existing user, then you will get an error. That error is a invalid username or password, you can try login sometime actually. Am I right or not, sir? Can I get a response? If you want, can implement that one also. 1 minute, please be patient. See, 1 minute. Function with 2 parameters. Let us do validate. Let us do what exactly? Validate. How to validate, you know? If, what exactly, sir? If it is double equals to Daniel @Gmail, otherwise Gmail you can delete actually. Now I just wanted to tell welcome to Gmail. As of now, I would like to compare only first parameter. Second parameter, if you want, we can implement actually. Welcome to Gmail. Welcome to what exactly? Gmail inbox. Now here, if you want, you can print what exactly, sir? Imprint cheptara you. Sir, don't ask what is if actually. Please, we already done the discussion. I mean, if you want, you can ask flow control chapter. What chapter? Flow control. All right, you can just try to come here. Else, if it is not Daniel actually, I would like to tell invalid username. Chapter sir, invalid username. Try after some time. Try with the right one actually, otherwise. Now get ready, man. Now, no doubt at all. The value what you entered, it should be Daniel. Then only you will get this statement actually. Come on, let us just try to enter actually. I will explain even the flow. Team, are you ready? Good. Let me enter. The name is what exactly? No, Daniel. Yes. Daniel will be assigned to what exactly, sir? Chappani? User. Chappani, sir. Then here it should be Daniel. And U value is a Daniel. Daniel double equals to Daniel. Then what is, yeah, what is the output here actually? True. If the result is a true, you will get welcome to Gmail. Chudandi. Exactly. It is asking password also. It is okay. Children, welcome to Gmail. Welcome to what exactly? Gmail. Are you with me? Let me enter wrong. Let me enter wrong details actually. I'm sorry, somebody called. Please be patient. Say, I will answer. Go back. And here we are rerunning the example one more time. Let us run. Write some Rani. Something like Rani or Ranga, anything actually. Tell me, sir, what is output actually? And you need to enter password also. What is output actually, Cheptara? Invalid. I mean, which block is going to execute actually? Else block. You understand very clearly. This is the example. We are taking value at runtime. We are using 2 parameters function. What function? Inside of that one, we have written some business logic. We have written what exactly, sir? Some business logic. Come on. You will get an output. Invalid username and what exactly? Try after some time. Good. Hope you understand. Yeah. Somebody called actually. Ever called this? Yeah, good question, ma'am. But you know, so best example before triggering only, we have to take these 2 values actually. Before triggering, I mean to say that if you have taken inside of this one, then there is no use of these parameters actually. There is no use of these parameters. You are getting, I guess, actually. It would be good practice. We have to assign before, then you can trigger this function. These parameters we need to assign like this actually. Getting, I guess. Ma'am, I understand your question, but let me tell you, imagine these 2. Okay. So here you wanted to provide U equals to input of what exactly, no? So here you are providing enter the value. Enter what exactly? Value. Good question. I will really respect your question. And here P should be what exactly, no? Enter your password. Enter what exactly? Your password. What is the issue here, you know? Enter password actually. And here I would like to say first one will be username. Next one will be password. Now let me tell you. So this one is a parameterized function, right? What function? Parameterized. So here is the issue. Definitely here we need to provide the value. Then we already providing the value from here, and again we are taking the values from here actually. I mean, it will be conflict actually. Got it, I guess. Valid question. Can I continue? All right. Let's continue. Where are we? We are discussing about the parameterized function. What function actually? Parameterized function. Yeah, let's move on. One parameterized function, we covered these are all. One parameterized function which is accepting floating value. One parameterized function which is accepting string. Team, why red color? Keyboard actually. One parameterized function. You know, we are taking value at what exactly? Runtime. We are taking what exactly? Runtime. If you wanted to take value at runtime instead of the body of the function, that is still valid example. But let me tell you, M1 of, don't provide any other thing. And here, If you want, you can take one value at runtime, one value hard coded actually, that is still valid actually. Enter value. Enter what exactly, sir? Enter value. And you can just have to print that value. This is still valid example. M1. Valid example, no doubt in that actually. Yeah. Let me enter 10. Valid example. Hold on. I understand one more question. Daniel, can I take one value from runtime, one value from function call? That is still valid actually. Let me redefine M1 of, let me take A actually, and B equals to input of, this is still valid example. These are all valid scenario. Enter value. It is still possible actually. Okay, you can do that. But if you really wanted to add, and this value we need to convert into integer. Now here A plus B. A plus what exactly, sir? B. Now M1 of team, get ready. The value what you enter, it will be assigned with what exactly? A. And this value it will take what exactly, sir? At runtime. At runtime. This one is valid example, but let me tell you, we are not using this kind of combination. We are not using this kind of combination, but still this one is a valid example. Come on, children. Enter value. Yeah, you are getting a result actually. Okay, good. Let's move on. Follow the running notes very carefully. Yeah, there is a function and which is having two parameter. We are providing two values. We are providing how many values? Two values. Function having two parameters and we are providing the two values and we are performing. We are doing some processing logic actually. We are performing what exactly, sir? Some processing logic. All right. Now we are entering into the topic. The topic name is called as a return keyword. What is the topic name? What is the topic, sir? Yeah. So very, very important. Please be focused actually. And it is very easy. Even I wanted to write here. Very, very important, sir. Who already know Python? Sir, నాకు already Python తెలుసు అని ఎవరైనా ఉంటే గనక, if anyone is saying who already know Python, you will learn many things actually from this discussion. Get ready to understand. If you already know, that is really good. But get ready. You are going to add a few more points from our explanation actually. Get ready to understand. Let us continue. First of all, understand these are all combinations. These are all what exactly? Combination. What is that combination, you know? First point, whenever you're talking about the return, first point, return is a keyword in Python. Return is what exactly? Keyword in Python. Cheptarandaru, it is a keyword in Python. One more time, keyword in Python. Daniel, I'm planning to write a program. I'm planning to write what exactly? Program by using return keyword. By using what keyword actually? Return keyword. Hold on, there is one condition. If you wanted to use a return keyword, definitely you should use function topic. You should use what topic actually? Function topic. No doubt in that actually. Function topic. Conclusion of the story. If you are talking about the return, automatically one topic is required. The topic is what exactly, you know, sir? Function topic. What topic actually? Please be note actually. No, Daniel, I will not use function. I will write only return actually. You will get an error. You will get what exactly? Error. Let me show you. This one is the rule. Rule is rule for all actually. Let me show you. Step by step I can explain actually. Please be note on this one. Even yesterday someone asked regarding return keyword. I hope, Harish, I guess actually. I can continue today discussion. Sir, these are all valid combination. These are all what exactly? Valid combination. Very easy. The topic is very easy. Please be note on this one. The first combination is if you wanted to use, you can use for loop. Wherever for came, automatically one keyword will come. What is that one, sir? In. For with in. Valid combination. What combination? Valid. No, Daniel, I will use only for actually. In I will not use. You will get an error. This is Salar combination actually. I'm sorry. I hope you have seen Salar movie. Best of friends each other actually. Am I right or not, sir? Here also, Daniel, I'm planning to write a return keyword. I'm planning to write what exactly? Return keyword. Can you fill the gap actually? What is required? Very good. Function is required. Otherwise, you will get an error. Otherwise, you will get what exactly, sir? Error actually. Good. function is required. I will prove practically. You will get an idea. This one is what exactly, sir? Valid. Daniel, I will write only return, no function, invalid combination. What exactly, sir? Invalid. First, before entering into the topic, you should have an idea what is a valid combination, what is invalid combination, which really boost your learning actually. Okay. Can I write a program by using only return, sir? No. You will get an error. If you wanted to write a program by using return keyword, definitely one topic is required. What is that one actually? Function. Chapani? Function. Now let me show you practically. Nice image, right? Nice image actually. Let's move on. Yes, sir. Photo? Oh, okay, okay. Well, this one is a for keyword, this one is in keyword actually. Okay, good. All right. I thought like it is look my face actually. I'm just kidding. I'm kidding. Good, good. Let's move on. Let me write one small hello world example. Let me just try to write some small hello world example. Hello. And here written 100. Team, you tell me, do you think this example is valid actually? Invalid. What exactly, sir? Invalid. Don't think like a print is a function, sir. User defined function is required. What is required actually? Don't think like that. Now let me run this example. Get ready. Everyone try to read the error so that you will confirmation. Invalid combination. Come on, sir. Error chadun actually andru. What error? Syntax. One more time. Syntax. But read this one. Written outside of the function. Hey Daniel, you have written. You have written what exactly? Written. Daniel, where is the function? Where is what exactly? Function. Are you clear about this one? Valid. Now let me explain the discussion. This is my favorite topic, sir. Return keyword actually. I have a good time. Let us just have to make a note here. I know. So invalid combination. If written without function. Written. Let me write the reason also. Written without function is invalid. Is what exactly, sir? Invalid combo. Invalid combination. Now we are entering into the topic. The first one will be based on definition. Based on what exactly? Definition. Functions are two types. Functions are how many types? Two types. Chapter first one is a predefined. Chapan sir. Predefined. The next one is a user defined. Okay, good. And next one. Based on parameter. Functions are again two types. Functions are again what exactly? Two types. First one is a function without parameter. Chapan sir. Function without parameter. Next one is a function with parameter. Function what exactly? With parameter. Cool. Now the third one. You tell me. Based on written keyword. Based on what exactly? Written keyword. Yeah, functions are two types. Functions are what you can remember. These are all terminology very easy, sir. That's what I can use always simple terminology. Simple function without written. Next one is what exactly, sir? Chapanda. Next one is what exactly, function with written. Function what exactly? With written. That's what you need to be on. A small snap. Are you talking about the definition? Two types. Predefined, user defined. Are you talking about parameters actually? Two types. First one is a without parameter, with parameter. Team, we are discussing about the return. Team, function without return statement, valid combination. I would like to write a function, no return keyword. Till now we have seen the same. Till now we have seen the same actually. But Daniel, I'm going to write a function. Can I use return actually? You can use. When to use, what is written? We are entering into the discussion. Let me talk with online team. Online team, I need a response from most of you guys actually. I need a response from every one of you. Get ready. But every function written, no function exists without written actually. Piyush sir, I'm sorry, wrong statement. Let me write directly. I can prove practically. Sir, sorry for saying actually. Wrong statement. Wrong statement actually. Wrong statement. I will prove practically. We'll see practically. Would have a functions, no written, valid actually. No written. Would have a function having written. having written. We'll see. Piyush sir, I guess. Sahu sir. Okay. What about the response from everybody? Sir, what happened? Nobody is not responding. Okay, cool. Karim. Good. Let's continue. Then thank you for responding. Let's continue. First, let us just try to see the material. Based on return statement, functions are divided into two types. Function without parameter. I'm sorry. Function without return statement. Second one is a function with return statement. Return is a keyword in Python. We should use return statement with function or method concept. Or what concept actually? Method. Method I can talk later during especially object oriented programming language. During what exactly mean? Object oriented. We should use return statement with function or method. Otherwise we'll get an error. Just now even we have seen actually. Team, why red color? Yeah, good. You have to make a note actually. And syntax error written outside of what exactly? Function. Now function without return. If a function cannot contain return statement, then that function is called as a function without return statement. It's not a mandatory. It's not mandatory. Based on requirement we can use. What is that requirement? I will reveal today actually. I mean to say, Daniel, I have written a function. Is return is mandatory? No sir, return is not mandatory. But when it is needed, I will tell you today. A function without return statement is what exactly? Valid. Valid actually. Go look at my screen. And DEF balance, my balance is, and we are calling the function actually. We are calling what exactly? Function. Yeah, good. I would like to write a program. The program will be function without return. Function without what exactly? Return. The function name will be DEF balance. And you can just try to write here, you know, you can just try to write my balance is column. And here you can just try to print, you can call the balance. You can call what exactly? Balance. Yeah, we have written a function. Successfully, you are able to call the function. Hold on. Can I take this piece of code? Can I just try to write? Let me take this few lines of code actually. Go back, delete this one, copy paste. Sir, what are we are not using? Can I close? This we are not using. This we are not using. Yeah, good. Now go back. Let me run the example. We got an output actually, but partial output. But what exactly mean? If you want, you can print in between some print statement also. But hold on. Yeah, exactly, Daniel. We got an output. We got what exactly? Output. Now we are going to write a program. We are going to write what exactly, sir? Program with return statement actually. With what exactly mean? Return statement. Please be focused actually. Function with return statement. Function with return statement, we can say return keyword, we can say these are all things actually. Team, are you ready? Come on, let me write an example. Always try to prove with always practically. Balance function. What function actually? Balance function. Good, get ready. Column symbol. Print here you can say my balance is, and here you can just try to write return keyword you can use actually. What keywords are? Return keyword. Here you can write some value, either kind of some any value, 10,000, 10 lakhs, dollars. These are all things you can write actually. See, listen carefully. Return keyword syntactically, how you need to write, you know, return keyword you need to write. For return RHS required. For return, what is required? RHS. What is RHS, sir? Right hand side value. What value? Right hands. Here you can provide any value. Here you can provide what exactly? Any value. Based on the requirement, I am taking integer. If you want, you can take float value. I will talk about that one. You can take string value. I will talk about this one. These are all things. But let me provide some value here actually. Let me provide what exactly? Some value. Integer value I am providing. What is that value, sir? 1 lakh. 1 lakh dollars actually. Good. Now I have a question for you. Seems to be there is a function Daniel, no parameter. Then call the function directly. Yeah, we are calling the function directly. Then can somebody guess the output actually? Output guess chestara? This is real interesting. Cheppandi, output em vastadi? Very good. Let me run this example. I will ask one more time. Get ready. Get ready with answer actually. Yeah. I never point you. If the answer is wrong, I never point you actually. Let me write here. Cheppandi sir. Output enti? My balance is 1 lakh or 10,000. 1 lakh, right? Yeah, good. Now let me print this one. Hold on. I will explain step by step actually. Let us just together the output actually. But let me tell you, still we are getting output. What is that output? My balance is only print statement we are getting. We are not printing this value. We are not getting that value. First to point, what you need to understand is, we have created a function. We have created what exactly? Function. If a function can contain return statement, function can contain return statement, first of all, valid point actually. What points are? Valid point. This statement is important, what I'm delivering. This statement you cannot get from Google, ChatGPT, anywhere else actually. If a function contains return statement, come on one more time. If a function contains return statement, that function calling, you need to assign into variable. You need to assign into what exactly? Variable. Such a nice statement actually. Come on, మళ్ళీ చెప్తాను చూడండి. If a function contains return statement, yeah Daniel, function having return statement, that function calling, ఆ ఫంక్షన్ కాల్ ని మీరు ఏం చేయాలి అంటే లెఫ్ట్ హ్యాండ్ సైడ్ లో ఒక వేరియబుల్ ని అసైన్ చేయాలి. లెఫ్ట్ హ్యాండ్ సైడ్ యూ హావ్ టు, ఐ విల్ టెల్ యూ వై. ప్లీజ్ ఫస్ట్ ఆఫ్ ఆల్ ఫాలో ద పాయింట్ యాక్చువల్. Go to the left hand side. I mean to say RHS equals to what exactly? I'm sorry man. LHS equals to what exactly? RHS. And left hand side variable, right hand side function call actually. It should be function. Exactly. Left hand side provide the variable. Yeah, let me provide b equals to function call. Exactly the syntax is matching. Exactly syntax is what exactly? Matching. Hold on. First of all, this one is the syntax. I know your counter question. Why variable Daniel actually? Hold on, sir. There is a good discussion actually. After that, what we need to do, here we need to print that b value. Here we need to print what exactly? B value. Now you will get the expected output. You will get what output actually? Expected output. చూడండి ఇప్పుడు మీకు అవుట్పుట్ వస్తుంది యాక్చువల్గా. ఇక్కడ మీకు అవుట్పుట్ వస్తుంది. So the point will be, I will tell you many questions. I'm sure every question will be clarified actually. Please be patient. But understand the syntax very clearly. If a function having return statement, that function calling, we need to assign it to what exactly? Variable. Come on, let me write actually. If a function having return statement, then that function calling, we need to assign into variable. We need to assign into what exactly? Variable. This one is very, very important point and highly recommended actually. Highly recommended. Now I understand your question. Daniel, why variable? Sir, that is the next 5 minutes discussion. I will explain piece by piece, point by point. Please be patient. See, first of all, understand the discussion. Let me take this point. Very, very important point actually. If you want here, I can write important point. If you really understand my explanation, get ready. I'm going to ask one more question. I'm going to ask what exactly, sir? One more question. Are you ready? Come on. We'll do one thing. Let us play small game. The game will be, let me write M1 function. What function I can write actually? M1 function. And here I can say hello. You can just try to write hello. And let me just try to write return 10. Return what exactly? 10. Get ready. Are you ready? Fine. Let me call M1. What is output, sir? Very good. What is output actually? Hello. Very good. But I need 10 also. I need what exactly? 10 also. What I need to do? Very good, man. You understand. Assign into variable. Then what we need to do? Print that variable. Very good. You are able to understand. Example by example actually. Very good. A function is returning integer value. చెప్తారా? A function returns integer value. If a function having return statement, that function calling, we need to assign into what exactly? Variable. We need to assign into what exactly? Variable. Hold on. We are going to do deep dive actually. Hey Daniel, write one more function M2. One more function what exactly? M2. And let me write hello. Let me write what exactly? Hello. And here return float value. What value actually? 1.23. Sir, valid point actually. A function can return any value. It can be integer, float, string, blah blah, anything actually. But tell me the output actually. Output ఏమొస్తుంది మీకు? చెప్పండి. Output. Yeah, hello actually. But I wanted to print 1.2 also. What I need to do? Assign into variable. Assign into what exactly? Variable. Variable name, it can be anything. Variable name, it can be anything. Now we are entering into the secret. Why variable actually? Take this example. Can I write here? These are all points actually. Point. A function is returning integer value. Valid point. And here it would be what exactly, sir? A function is returning float value. Daniel, is a function can return string, sir? That's what I told actually. def name, function name is what exactly? Name actually. And here, hello. And hello you can write. And here you can write what exactly? Return. Return. And here you can write Rajesh. What exactly, sir? Sorry, Rajesh. Cheppandi. What is the output you will get actually? Meeku output em vastadi? Hello. Now from this last 4 examples, you became very good. If a function having return statement, that function calling, we need to assign into what exactly? Variable. Are you clear this one? Let us enter into the discussion. N equals to name. Now let us just try to print what exactly, sir? N. Very good. Sir, to understand the topic, multiple examples you need to execute. Then you will get a clarity. You will get what exactly? Clarity. Now let us understand why this much hardawadi actually. Take this point. String value. What value, sir? String value. Open the material. Let us move on. Regarding the return statement, just 40% is done. How much done actually? 40%. Think like, would have a 60%. Yeah, go back to the discussion. Return, function with return. Based on requirement, we can write a return statement to a function. A function with return statement is what exactly, sir? Valid. Valid action. Team, I forgot to ask. In the given example, how many keywords? Any keywords on Japan? I will cry, please, if you didn't reply. Two keywords. Tell me first one, def. Next one, return. Very good. Recognize where we are using, what is the keyword, what is the function name. You should recognize actually. I'm sorry. Yeah. Hello boss, if a function having return statement, that function calling, we need to assign into variable. Yeah, see here. If a function contains return statement, then that function calling, we need to assign into what exactly? Variable. You may ask a question, Daniel, why we need to assign into the variable? Yeah, yes, sir, I can understand. Yes, I will explain, wait in another 5 minutes, then you can understand. But don't give this reply during interview actually. I'm sorry. Are you with me or not, sir? Yeah, I will tell you. There is a reason. Good. Now the point is, the function return value, this value it is storing inside variable. Indirectly, that variable is capturing that value. That variable is what exactly, sir? Capturing that value. Capturing that value. And if you want, you can use actually. If you want what exactly, sir? You can use. Now here is a question. Why we need to assign function calling to what exactly? Variable. Yeah, this one is seriously interesting question. Let us have it theoretically here actually. Daniel, why function call we need to assign into what exactly, sir? Assign into a variable. Yeah, valid point, sir. I understand. Okay, the point will be by answer. By using that variable, we can create business logic. We can create what logic actually? Business logic. I will show you what kind of business logic. Are you with me? I mean to say, the moment when you are assigning into the variable, that variable is holding the value. By using that variable, you can reuse in your code actually. Reusing is called as a creating a business logic. Creating what exactly? I will show practical. I will show you actually. First of all, understand. Can I ask a question? Why we are assigning it to the variable actually? What is the purpose actually? We can create a business logic. Chappalandaru. We can create a business logic. We can create. I understand. Daniel, what is a business logic? Yeah, good. Counter question actually. This might be your counter question. The question could be, what is business logic? Yeah, sure, sir. Let me take the same example and I can explain actually. I can what exactly explain. And this one is the answer number one. Answer number one. Answer number two. Answer number two. For reusing purpose. For what purpose, sir? For reusing purpose. Reusing purpose actually. Reusing purpose. Mostly the first answer is highly recommended actually. Second answer just for your better understanding. For your what exactly better understanding. Go. I'm sorry, let me drink water. What is the time? We have enough time actually. Can I continue? Yeah, good. Now please, this theory I can read actually. We are comparing with the 0, less than 0. All right, go back. Go back. Now please make a note actually. Let me write a function. Team, I'm explaining. What is a business logic I'm explaining actually? Balance. Print, I would like to say, welcome to SBI Bank, or else, Axis Bank actually. Very good. Now here you can write written. Imagine initially the value is the 0. Initially there was account created actually. What is the value, sir? 0. Good. Team, can somebody tell me what is output actually? Output endo cheptara? Chepandi sir. Welcome to SBI. Very good. Welcome to what exactly? SBI. Now do one thing. Otherwise here you can say my balance is. Anything you can say. I'm sorry for modifying. That is still okay actually. My balance is. My balance is. You will get what exactly? 0. Can somebody tell me I wanted to print this 0 also? How can I print? Assign into variable. Assign into what exactly? Variable. Now team, here is the game actually. If, we are creating a logic condition. If b value equals to 0, we need to tell to the user, sir, your balance is what exactly, sir? Your, here you can print actually your balance is what exactly, sir? Your balance is. Just try to provide a comma here and print what exactly? B. Are you with me or not, sir? Once you are calling the function is returning the value. That value we are storing into variable. By using that variable, create a logic. By using that variable, what exactly? Create a logic. Yeah, exactly. It is happening in the real time. It is happening in what exactly? Real time. Don't confuse. If you want, still you can delete this line. That is still valid actually. Why? Because the same line here we are writing actually. The same line here, what exactly, sir? We are writing. Are you with me? Good. Let me run the piece of code actually. Sir, what is the flow happened here? Function calling. Come on, listen carefully. Function having return statement. Function calling. We need to assign it to what exactly? Variable. Almost this is the 10th time I am repeating actually. Function calling, we need to assign it to the variable. Assign it to the variable. Very, very important. నేను ఏదైనా ఒక పాయింట్ రిపీట్ చేశాను అంటే ఐఎమ్ సారీ హూ డోంట్ నో తెలుగు యాక్చువల్లీ ఇఫ్ ఐ రిపీటెడ్ ఎనీ పాయింట్ నంబర్ ఆఫ్ టైమ్స్ వెరీ వెరీ ఇంపార్టెంట్ ఇంటర్వ్యూ క్వశ్చన్ ఆల్సో డ్యూరింగ్ ఇంటర్వ్యూ దే విల్ ఆస్క్ యాక్చువల్లీ ఓకే గుడ్ నౌ దిస్ b variable is the 0. Here we are comparing, hey, what is the b value? Is it, is it 0 actually? Then you need to display what exactly, your balance is the 0. చూడండి ఇక్కడ అవుట్పుట్ వస్తుంది. Your balance is what exactly, sir? 0. Very good. Take this piece of code actually. Business logic number 1. First logic actually. First logic. Let me recreate one more logic. Let me recreate what exactly? One more logic. Imagine balance will be something like a 1 lakh. Or else, I'm sorry, sir. Let me just try to explain about the negative scenario. Imagine the balance will be 100. The balance will be what exactly, man? 100. Now I need a response from you. Function calling. You are assigning into variable. Function having return statement. Function calling. You need to assign into variable. What is the b value now actually? B value enta? Minus 10. Very good. Minus 100 double equals to 0. What is the result? Then no output here actually. What exactly, sir? No output. Come on, children, actually no output. Then we have to create one more business logic, which is called as the elif block. What block actually? Come on, let us create one more business logic. Very good. Elif b less than what exactly? 0. Then here you need to print specific message. Boss, don't know what happened. Boss, your balance is what exactly? Negative. Children, specific scenario, specific output we are printing actually. And print, we need to display the balance also. What we need to display? B. Now let us run the example. Children, boss, your balance is the minus 100. Please deposit some money. Otherwise, deductions will be happen. That suggestion also we can give. Am I right or not, sir? Right. This logic is executed because of which value actually? Can somebody tell me? B value. Which value? B value. Good. I will explain one more time if you didn't understand, but you can understand. I'm sure you will connect actually. At last, if not first condition, if not second condition, last condition will be, you can just try to print here what exactly your balance is. That is still okay. Now the scenario will be positive. Think like $1 lakh, $10 lakh, anything actually. Tim, let me tell you. Function having return statement. Function calling, we need to assign into variable. inside this variable, what is the value? 1 lakh. Am I right? 1 lakh double equals to 0. Everyone cheptara? False. If it is the false, it never execute this one. Next one. 1 lakh less than 0. False. It never execute. If it is not executing, what is the next one? Yes. Very good. That's what you need to be understand. Team, are you getting everyone? Very simple, man. Very simple. Very simple. You should understand. These are all you should understand. You know, function with written plus two logics. I will tell you one small logic. Hold on. With my whole experience, I will tell you one small shortcut actually. Please be patient. See. One logic. One logic. Sorry. I will repeat the whole example one more time just for your better understanding. That's it. Just for your what exactly? Better understanding. Now, before that, I wanted to cover one important point. One important point. Are you ready? Chappan sir? Good. Let's do one thing. Please be patient. See, we would have a separate discussion. DEF, let me write a function. Function name is M1. And here, let me write hello. Let me write what exactly? Hello. I would like to say function no return statement. Function what exactly? No return statement. Let me write one more function. Function name is M2. And here I would like to write hi. And I would like to write what exactly? Hi. Okay. And here I wanted to write return 10. I wanted to write return what exactly? Be clear about these two functions. Very, very important man. First function, a function no return statement. Call function directly. Just directly you can call actually. Am I right? Chappan sir. Good. You can just have to come here M1. Valid output actually. Can you guess the output actually? Output and guess chestara? Chappan sir. Very nice. You'll get what exactly? Hello. Very good. Now go back. Can you tell me function having return statement? Em cheyali cheppandi? Assign into the variable that function call. Now you need to print what exactly? Variable. You need to print what exactly, sir? Variable. Now you can just try to see what is output actually? Hello. Next one is hi 10. Hello. And next one is what exactly? Hi 10. Are you with me? Good. Now let me give a small conclusion. What is the conclusion I'm planning to give? You know, team. Let me write here actually. We have created a two function. We have created how many functions actually? M1. M1 function having no return. Good. Next one. M2. Chappan sir. Function having return. Function having what exactly? Return. These two example actually. Now please make a note actually. I wanted to give one such a nice analogy I wanted to give. Wherever you are able to see here actually. So think like, you know, this one is the function no return statement. Chaptara function no return actually. Wherever you are able to see like this actually, can somebody tell me Chapani? Function having return. Function having what exactly? Return. I mean, by looking at the function call, you have to guess either backend return is there or not actually. I'm sorry, I need a response. By looking at the function call, you should guess automatically, hey, backend no return. Boss, backend what is available? Return is available. What is available? Sir, are you getting? Very, very important point. These 2 points are very, very important point actually. Now, regarding the return, just to 60% over. How much actually? 60%. 60% over actually. Good. Team, how many keywords chaptara ikkada? Any keywords unnaya? Even let me count actually. Chappandi, match all answer. Chappandi. How many? 5. Are you sure? Very good. You guys are double sure actually. I can accept. One student told, Daniel, I'm seeing some online example, but they never highlighted. Sir, this is I created actually. I highlighted with the red color. Don't expect any online examples actually. Are you with me? Yeah. Students will ask, sir. Students will ask, function with return statement. What is the value here actually? 0. Then if block is being getting executing. Then here negative balance. What balance actually? Negative balance. Then which block will be get execute? LA block. See, to understand this example, You should know function topic. You should know flow control topic also. What topic, sir? Flow control topic also. I just wanted to highlight one point here. Let me finish this one. It can be dynamic value. We can take runtime value also. Valid point. I will cover that example. Below program also valid but not recommended. Team, very, very important interview question. Very, very important interview question. Till now, are you clear? If you want, I will give a small recap actually. Till now, are you clear actually? Yeah, good. Let me give a small recap. You will get an idea. Oh, sorry, sir. First of all, I wanted to cover one point actually. This one is a valid point. This one is valid point actually. This one is valid. I will accept actually, but we are sorry. We are sorry. We are not providing hard copy material, only soft copies. And one more point. Can I cover actually? What is that point? Maybe this is out of discussion.